Hi friends, welcome back in channel SciTech. In this, we're going to do the 5 GHz download and the speed test comparison between the iQOO 7 versus Realme GT Neo 2 device. So previously I did use the 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network, and this video I'm going to show you the 5 GHz Wi-Fi network. The main thing is that iQOO 7, a few of the users, they did complain that they're experiencing slightly slow internet speeds whenever they try to use a 2.4 GHz, but they want to know whether it's happening with the 5 GHz or not. Let's see what is going on with the 5 GHz at this moment. And one more main thing with iQOO 7 device, 2.4 GHz, the transfer link speed is slightly lower than the Realme GT Neo 2s, because in this phone I can actually get 300 Mbps of transfer link speed, which is actually the maximum of my Wi-Fi router. This phone can actually reach up to 144 Mbps of transfer link speed, 2.4 GHz network. And the 5 GHz network, this phone can actually come up to maximum. That's not an issue at this moment. So right now it's not displaying the maximum transfer link speed, but this phone can actually get high speeds with the 5 GHz, not with the 2.4 GHz. So in the Realme GT Neo 2, you can actually see the 433 Mbps clearly, the transfer link speed. So right now with the 5 GHz network, both phones are connected at this moment. We're gonna see which phone has got what type of speeds and what type of download results. That's what I'm going to exactly demonstrate in this video. So we got the stopwatch ready, we got the game ready, and let's see. Both phones are connected to same 5 GHz network, and we are trying to download at same time side by side. Now you'll be able to see the results, what is happening. And my main purpose of doing this kind of testing is to check which phone takes the most of the Wi-Fi connection for the 5 GHz. You can see the Realme GT Neo 2 finished around 18 seconds of time. The iQOO 7 later finished slightly took more time than the Realme GT Neo 2. There's a difference between both phones. You can see a difference clearly. So downloading at same time, we got this kind of results. Let's do the downloading individually. Okay. Individual download test, we'll try to see what's happened right now. So in the individual download test, the iQOO 7 can get maximum speed and it can utilize maximum Wi-Fi. Let's see how much time. 92% still installing. 18 seconds of time the iQOO 7 took to download and install the Pokemon Go game. You can clearly see what is happening. And now let's do the same thing in the Realme GT Neo 2 using same game. Same Pokemon Go game which I'm trying to demonstrate, and try to look at the speed, how quick it's going on. So that's the one thing, friends. In my experience of using these Realme phones, I did not have any kind of issues with the Wi-Fi or 4G plus signals, those type of signals. I never had any kind of connectivity problem. Doesn't matter even if you take the Realme GT Master Edition, this phone actually has got 300 Mbps of transfer link speed even for 2.4 GHz network speeds. Only few people will be able to know this kind of things unless you watch this kind of videos. Otherwise you would not know unless you buy the phone and you experience slow internet speeds. So right now let's see what happens with the speed test results. Let's do the speed test first in the iQOO 7 device, then in the Realme GT Neo 2. I'll try to show you. So iQOO 7 phone was able to get that kind of high speeds as well, and it was kind of close to my maximum internet speed is about 90 Mbps of speeds. It's trying to be there, and it did reach up to 70 kind of Mbps, but sometimes this phone will reach with the 5 GHz, this will reach up to 90 Mbps as well. So no other phones are connected in my location to the 5 GHz network. And right now I'll try to do the same kind of testing. You can see the speeds, how the speed meter went. Both phones same 5 GHz network speeds. So let me try to do one thing. I'll try to change the positions and then I'll try to try again, because few users, they want me to change the positions and try keeping iQOO 7 here and Realme GT Neo 2 there. So just I want to even clear those doubts as well. So right now I did interchange my phones. You can see clearly. Now let's see what happens. Let's start with the iQOO 7 device. So right now the iQOO 7 was able to reach 92 Mbps of speeds, not bad. As I said, with the 5 GHz, the phone will be able to reach sometimes high speeds also. It should not be any kind of issues. So while doing this kind of high speeds, now I need to show you the transfer link speed, how much it's showing. So right now we're getting 130 Mbps and transfer link speed. It did not increase much in terms of the transfer link speed, nothing much. But 93 Mbps, we got that kind of high speeds. Now let's see what is happening in the Realme GT Neo 2 in this location. So don't worry about this small change, but in the iQOO 7 device, I was able to get that kind of speeds, friends, 5 GHz. So I don't have any problem with the 5 gigahertz. Only thing is with the 2.4 gigahertz network speeds only slightly a problem, little bit. Although that's not a big difference, as you can see clearly. The Realme GT Neo 2 was able to get up to 88 Mbps of speeds. And I'm trying to do my best to show you the real-time results, what is going on between these both phones. So next test, I'll try to continue again in the iQOO 7 device. For the second time I'm trying to do. So let's see what happens now with you connecting to the 5 GHz network only. So the speed meter went good. So with the 2.4 GHz, no. With the 5 GHz, I'm getting high speeds. So you need to figure out, friends, in this way, if you buy the phone, so make sure to you connect to the only for the 5 GHz network. Little bit trying to reach to the maximum, not bad. So both phones, they are really good in the 5 GHz network speeds, nothing much major differences in the 5 GHz. As you can see friends clearly what is going on. And in case if you want me to do any other comparison with other smartphones, let me know in the comment section below. Definitely I'll do my best to post the video as soon as possible for you all. So overall perfect speed I'm getting in Realme GT Neo 2, and even in the iQOO 7 also I'm getting the perfect speed as well. So close to 93 and 90 Mbps of speeds. So both phones, similar kind of results I'm getting with the 5 GHz, no issues. Perfectly alright. That's it friends, thank you for watching this video and stay tuned for more updates. In case if you have any other doubts, let me know in the comment section below. Meanwhile, signing off and bye.